2 children died and 3 others injured as a hand grenade exploded at Subulong Part 1 Lakeshore village in None district. Manipur observes 46th statehood day, commemorating the day Manipur became a full-fledged state in 1972. Chief Minister Biren launches Chief Minister Gi Hakshil Gi Tengbang scheme at Kumalam Park Indoor Stadium today. Minister Karam Sham flags off cycle rally as a part of the Cycle Day with an objective to promote energy conservation. And Kenya beats USA in the final of 3rd Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, a child died and at least 4 others were seriously injured as a live bomb grenade exploded at Subulong Part 1 Lakeshore village in None district under Kopam police station today. Sahadngam Kamai, aged 90 years, son of late Ringlung Pao from Subulong Part 1, died on the spot, while another Silas Kamai, aged 5 years, son of Kuithaulung Kaumei of the same village, succumbed to his injury on the way to the hospital. The bomb triggered while the children were playing with the bomb, which was lying unattended. The 3 injured children are Gaishing Lui Gonmei, aged 90 years, son of Kathing Kai; Jaugting Thuilu Kangmei, 2 years, daughter of Gaijini Kangmei; and Jiangling Kangmei, 4 years, daughter of Lungai Tholu Kangmei from Subulong Part 1. They have been rushed to RIMS in a Kopam CAC ambulance and are undergoing medical treatment. The dead body of the 2 boys are kept at Jennings Morgue. Speaking to Impact News, a father of Gangshinglui Gongmei, Kathing Thai Kangmei, drew the attention of the authority concerned to book the responsible at the earliest.
Sunday morning, I church service to heck Lorgo. I worship Mochaleva. I don't worship do I hope at the last point. I do last point you're gonna make a punk talking at the bomb blast of Tokiba. More in a Kunlak para Natraga, more in net para Adukande. Nasi Tokiba Todoxe, I call public in a comedy, Indian Armenian state Shivane, I call in comedy, I call public protection, I call the Kale, Nashika Todi, Krasra, Tongaleva, I call in a pomadi. Matang Namasukuma Todoxe, Amu and Todan about Gomen side again. Action Chakana, Locapu.
Manipur observes the 46th statehood day, commemorating the day Manipur became a full-fledged state in 1972 after it merged with the Indian Union. The observance is held at 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground with much fanfare. Addressing the event, Chief Minister Nongthom Biren said, "The youth cannot lead to a right path if the ministers, bureaucrats and police officers, including himself, failed to fully discharge their duties." He maintained that corruptions, favoritisms and such ill practices must be abolished in order to build a good society. The Chief Minister maintained that the government is working towards fulfilling the faith people have in the government. He said that the government strongly condemns the blast at M sector near Raj Bhavan and said that it was a work to malign the image of the government. Biren said the incident had been informed to the Union Home Minister and soon a high-power committee will be formed to conduct a high-level inquiry after a cabinet meeting. He said the government has the information of abductions and monetary demands to the railway line and highway engineers and labourers by SOO groups. The Chief Minister said that the government is against those who commit crimes and expressed that legal action will be taken against them. 56 contingent of police, paramilitary personnel, college and school students put on parade during the observation. Parade Commander T.H. Bikramjit MPS led the march past. Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren received the contingents with salute. Ministers, MLAs, top brass police officers and civilians attended the event.
Manipur na mapung thaba state amo rakpagi sahi improve taruki matamashida state asigi lenga sasanda sel thungi pimamda na chalabi amadi bunsi mahingi lamda mahi masing lami thong haksel amadi adai chawpat thorangi iram kaya mang sausin manamle aduma ko han khanjab da nasi masu state asina pangrok da maru ba thabak thorong kaya di mang do tar ledi langa ke thogang lawi ba punamak amadi lamdam asigi miyam punna Ari ibat hamal osin kutokna kathok magalona manawi mathok kali education future ni namaka adumba seng license gi hena seng legera madumba department adumba institution da unqualified adumba mayam ma hapsal laga tawram mi court mayam se how we can tolerate it masina isa nizar deina sinda kamira kana kari no ko erkala papa worker Manipur ki future bharat ki future
The 46th anniversary of the Manipur Statehood Day was also observed at Statehood Square Polo Ground, Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, ex-minister L. Jatra said that the Statehood Square should be developed as a memorial site, while the member of CPI, L. Sotin, narrated that the movement of the people of Manipur during the 1960s and 70s for statehood. Sotin recalled that he was put to jail for 45 days in Palel jail during the movement. Member of CPI M. Sant said that the site was a tribute to the youth of Manipur. He said that the Chief Minister Ranbir was a true leader who understood the importance of such square in the state capital. It may be mentioned that Rajkumar Ranbir, in the presence of his Council of Ministers and executive members of the United Front, dedicated the Statehood Square to the people of Manipur in the memory of the people who participated in the movement for statehood in 1991. National Students Union of India NSUI Manipur State Unit organized a blood donation camp in connection with 46th Statehood Day today. The camp was organized in collaboration with Jennings Blood Bank at Congress Bhavan on BT Road. Many volunteers of the union donated blood at the camp. As a part of the initiatives of state government, Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren launched Chief Minister Gi Hakshel Gi Tengbang scheme today. The launching of the scheme, which aims at promoting a better and healthier society of Manipur, was held at Kumal Lampak Indoor Stadium. The Chief Minister also flagged off 10 ambulances equipped with advanced facilities for the 10 districts of Manipur on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Biren said the card holders of the scheme will get cashless treatment from any government hospitals up to ₹2 lakhs from tertiary care. He called for cooperation from all sections of the society in bringing a healthy and a prosperous state. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Health Minister L. Jayant Kumar, and other ministers and MLAs were present at the event.
We need your support, Prajagi support, Prajagi Minungshi Abunekoi, government Salabunamoy, and all the time, Ekoi government se Prajagini, Kanamata, Ekoi MLA Kande, Minister Kande, Amakande Praja Unaro have a Yaroi, Madu Praja Unaro have a Prajagi Wakata, the Aragadi, Madu Imonda, direct information review, any including officials, I appeal to Jabini, Prajaga Punasakoi.
Scuffle erupted at Kumal Lampak Indoor Stadium after the launch of Chief Minister Gi Hakshel Gi Tengbang's scheme on account that the Chief Minister and Health Minister looked down on ASHA workers. The irate ASHA workers burnt down the newly distributed kits and resorted for mass resignation as ASHA workers. Speaking to media persons, a member of All Manipur Asha Worker Union and Memcha maintained that the scheme cannot be successful without the help of Asha workers. She said that around 3,000 Asha workers reached the venue with the beneficiaries from the far-flung areas for the successful launch of the scheme. She alleged that Asha workers of the state are paid as low as Rs 1,000 as compared to Rs 10,000 honorarium in other states. Memcha said the very little commission of Rs 10 to Rs 30 per scheme beneficiaries is very negligible, but the Asha workers under the supervision of Medical Directorate have been working sincerely. She stated that Asha workers strongly condemned the way the state authority treated them like AAY beneficiary. Memcha said that it is very unfortunate that the Chief Minister did not give any response to the memorandum they submitted to the Chief Minister today for the upliftment and betterment of the Asha workers. Memcha said that it was uncivilized on the part of organizer that they threw the refreshment to Asha workers and ill-treated them during the distribution of the refreshment. Memcha, on the behalf of all Asha workers, asked Health Minister L. Jayanta Kumar to clarify his misconduct of not recognizing the Asha workers. Swift action from personnel of Manipur Fire Service was able to put out the fire that erupted from burning of Asha uniforms, and large number of Manipur police personnel control the situation.
Migi state Kerala asajingi thamagi onenam singtara aduga khoi Manipur da onenam lupali singama khatang onenam moina singtara singama birise akhoi Manipur yam tin sotai urju sipide aduna khoi ngasi diliba samyam je ngasi dagi khoi tabak ron lepani baje se happy raga state tagi kitang tawraga akhoi Manipur dagi kitang ga happy raga akhoi bibi ona memorandum mission jabani adugi reply khoi mangonda ma adugi pakhum amata bibiramdana mangasi bhagala saka.
CAFPD and Revenue Minister Karam Sham flagged off a cycle rally as a part of the Cycle Day today with an objective to conserve petroleum products, uses of fuel and its sustainability in the future. The cycle rally flagged off at PCTC oil pump Koyathong, reached CRPF 69th main gate Mantripuki via Khongnang Ani Karak and back to the starting point. The rally was jointly organized by Public Sector Oil and Gas Companies of the State and Petroleum Conservation Research Association (PCRA). The cycle rally is being conserved throughout the nation in the same manner as a part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Saksham 2018 or Sanraksham Shapta Mahotsav, a month-long campaign which was also launched in Manipur by Governor Dr. Nachma Haptullah. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said the underlying idea behind organizing the Cycle Day is to spread awareness among the masses about the benefits of cycling and the urgent need to conserve oil and other petroleum products and make them last longer as they are exhaustible natural resources. He said he strongly can support Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal to the citizens of India to ride cycle at least once a week to fulfill the set objective of Saksham 2018. Karam Sham said cycling is a win-win situation that will promote economy apart from a cleaner environment and better health. He also appealed to the public to ride cycle at least once a week. The minister also handed over a cash prize of Rs 6,000 to paracyclist Rakesh from Assam for his remarkable courage and noble endeavor of riding cycle from Bangkok to Imphal despite his right legs being amputated due to an accident. Rakesh started his venture on December 24th of last year with the theme Safe Rhinos. The minister also flagged off a cycle rally of paracyclists from PCTC oil pump.
Anything sense to hungani, adi hiram puding mata awan balahangani, adi sanja thunda to wero kaba ingang hapu to wero, aduga narol singi wakal morain to wero. Audiki akoi narol singi amma ningma kaini ngaini, adi akoi border area to laiba truck ki karigi, adi mayama ma phauda lakwa, maduki adi kanao mana sendal lebih wajah sinar kemaduna, adi narol singi kalai masih wakal lukanda bang mauda badagi maduna misal, adi su ikna kasamu kolak tawa, future generation ni anda kalaga masih lainnya jelasnya kabut korang baisnya masih jadi hana, adi atau apa mamu lagi.
As part of the security measures ahead of Republic Day, a combined team of Imphal East Commando led by DSP L. Deven, OC Hengang, 2nd OC Commando Imphal East, Porompat Police and women police personnel conducted cordon search operation at Mahabali area in Imphal East district this morning. The search operation commenced at 5:40 and continued for 2 hours. 577 persons, including 97 women, were verified during the operation. 10 persons with no proper identification documents were handed over to Porompat police station and were later released. Kundrakpam Kendra Youth Organization expressed apprehension on the statement of RSS Northeast Chief Jagadamba Mal that creation of a Greater Nagaland will not be a hidden anymore. The organization alleged that the consensus of RSS on the creation of Greater Nagaland is an invitation to mass agitations in the strongest form. A condolence meeting on the demise of the convener of the Left Front at Tripura, Khagem Das, was held at the CPI-M State Office at Pauna Bazar, Imphal. Khagem Das was in charge of Manipur unit of the party. He was elected to the Tripura Assembly for the first time in 1978 and later served as a Minister of Health, Revenue and Statistics during the second Left Front government. Later, he was elected to the Rajya Sabha in 1998 and elected to the Lok Sabha for 3 consecutive terms in 2002, 2004 and 2009. The meeting observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed leader. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you reports on Khwaeramban Market's famous Imoinu and Phawaibi Market resumes business. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Khwaeramban Market's famous Imoinu and Phawaibi Market resumed business after a long gap of 2 years since January 2016 earthquake devastation today. Women vendors who shifted to the newly repaired markets loaded the government for timely repair work. The 2 markets were left unusable since the January 6, 2016 after 6.7 magnitude earthquake destroyed most of the market structure. The women who had been selling from items on the roads since then shifted to newly repaired markets this evening. The temporary market shade built on a BT road for the displaced vendors have been demolished under the supervision of IMC. Mahot Minister T.H. Shyamkumar will formally hand over the 2 markets to the women vendors tomorrow.
Asiwakhanda di am nungai ba po e ka thian jang tak tin ngai roi dra hai be to antak ti phajana whatsapp tha gra me khara nungai re ka chahi ani mapung pura ti pha da tha ni ohum diwa le po che yon ba nungai te wa yam na du ga ne khodi sorok ta chen thoga mi pha ra yon akhoi si da pham group ne ba moi che manung da pham da moi che wa re ha ra ka pham chu lai ta ba ko chu jang tang chao ra ga lai ra ba ni na ahan jing de tho ga ma pan da yon ba
son da lak pa si da yam nungai wa khan je jaga su ko me adu ga po su khara sil da ra in khalle Sagi masing ko oram na sonda di maya idani na ni mi chu sang ko wat pa ho wakhanda di do mo halak ka da haloi da ba wakhanda di dum khalle do halak ta so ojanu.
Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar stated that he urged the centre to sanction funds to improve the infrastructure for sportspersons in the state during the pre-budget meeting held at Delhi a few days ago. Joy Kumar was speaking in the mega upgradation ceremony of the United Gym Manipur held at Naranthong Laishram Khulem Laikai Community Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar said that Finance Minister of all states took part in the meeting presided by Union Minister of Finance. Joy Kumar unveiled the newly upgraded gym on the occasion.
India revolutionary idea na Khelo India na ama scheme chong na tore. Adu scheme se what is it based upon? Fund is based upon your population size. Adu ye when this fund is distributed, when it comes to Manipur pang sukta chaw machi ram khawai. what is needed are building up of the infrastructure. The car, football ki khangde, canoe ki khangde, apna to, mayam leni. Every sports, it can mata Manipur ki loni player, patam loni apong loni le. Adu ye murid ka the infrastructure laite. Adu more important is infrastructure.
Members of Khagempally, Huidrom Lekai Youth and Social Club and Maira Paibi's staged a sit-in against the delayed justice of the mysterious death of Pravish Chanam at Khagempally, Huidrom Lekai, Lairen B. Lampak today. Demanding justice for late Pravish, president of the club, Moirangthem Ibohol stated that it has been 4 months since the incident took place, but government of both the states is still unable to deliver justice to the victim. He demanded expedite justice to the deceased. Mitei Chanu 2017, Laisram Sila, who took part in the protest, appealed to both Manipur and Uttar Pradesh government to bring out the truth behind the mysterious death. It may be mentioned that Chief Minister Nongthom Biren and BJP Rajya Sabha member Ketramayum Vavananda on Friday requested Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh for a CBI probe into the death and to instruct Uttar Pradesh government to hand over the case to CBI at the earliest.
Langla Langjin Puthokbangam Dana Laiba Haibasi, North East Ladiba, Manipur Yauna, Akwegi missing a Sigi, Yamna racial with treatment Nama Quida Ledabra Haibasigi Nuaitaba, Praviski Latabagi Nuaitabasiki Matakta, Karigumba, Kusia Sina Toina Tokchalabadi, Quigileba, Kasida, Yamna Nuaitaba, Itilama, Wakalama, Itatana Pauba. Yarakpadum baki bamalebese kong na bagidamukta tappachu tapna laingakna athuba matamda langla langjin puthokna maral leiba mi involved tobusing ado chapchaba ain gi matungina dandi phangba.
One-day sensitization program on mobilizing bioresources for generating income was held today at Luang Sambam Mamang Laikai. The first phase of the program is organized by Yuba Morcha Hengang Mandal under the aegis of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium at Luang Sambam Mamang Laikai. Speaking on the occasion, Director of the Agriculture Department, P.H. Rajendra, stated that it is important to increase the number of farmers club to boost economy of the state. He said, though the state has optimum funding agency for the promotion of agriculture and its allied sector, the state lacks manpower. Rajendra said over 10 schemes available for the sector cannot be implemented in the state due to lack of farmers club. Additional Chief Secretary of Agriculture, IAS, Dr. Suhail Akhtar said that the sensitization program needs to be conducted across the state to raise awareness on the benefits of the scheme to the farmers and the general public. All Manipur Students Union MSU Chingmei-rom branch organized a one-day anti-drug awareness program at Nongpok Ningtho Ema Panthoibi Sanglen today. The program was conducted under the theme Let's Stand Against Substance Abuse. Speaking on the occasion, Finance Secretary of Coalition Against Drug and Alcohol, KADA, T. Gitchandra said, there is a culture of considering the use of alcohol in every celebrations and ceremonies compulsory in the state. He said, alcohol abuse not only affects health and society, but also consumes a massive amount of rice for brewing, which leads to import of rice from other states. Speaking to Impact News, President of MSU Imphal District, Dhanachandra Khaidem said, the objective of the program is to raise awareness on the ill effect of the abuse of illicit substances among the people, especially the youth.
Samasida yamna sathiba amagi mawongda khoi drug sabasing asina sohalagliba asidagi khata oiragasu thingmangamnabig pandamda emsu madi kada ga loinana amadi ekai adu lebiriba imai ben singa kusamnarakanda khoi drug yoliba amadi drug chariba singa sidagi khata oiragasu kanmangamnabagi pandamda ngasigi khoi awareness si panglok sabani samas.
A one-day awareness program for protection of Kongba River was held today at Kongba Bazaar. The awareness program was organized by the Kongba River Environmental Protection Committee (KEPC) in association with Directorate Environment, Government of Manipur. Speaking to media persons, convener of KEPC, L. Rameshwar said, Kongwa Bazaar holds a significant place in history, but due to unorganized dumping of waste material and reckless maintenance, the value of Kongwa Bazaar has degraded. He maintained that the program is the first step towards a clean Kongwa Bazaar. Noted environmentalist R.K. Ranjan attended the program and women vendors of Kongwa Bazaar attended the function.
Wastage mayam si koi mapam sana masida thamsi aibna chingwa mapam khara sport khara khandu oga koi thamgani aduga municipalities na khomdok pa yaba aduga koi mapam khara da koi private sing sida koi gi lanai koi payment tawraga makoi da khomdo hanana bagi madugi da sanction jar kadaba koi pandamni sahi khara gi mamang da kongba turel gi ising se koi iru jaba aithaba masida loina ba se narami ngasi di koi kummaga ising se senaba yada bi phiba mamal lakpa adu masi khak matek khara si tawraga loina ba yaraga da haibati nati masi koi ahan ba khongthang oina masi successfully changchala matong dai koi mathang pak sana thajana bagi koi pandam su lei.
Thoibi Loikum Loika, a drama based on the Manipuri folk tale Khamba and Thoibi, related with Moirang Kanglei role, was performed today at the premise of Kontha Ahalop Ibudhau Marjing today. The drama was directed by renowned drama artist Urengbam Ibeni from Kairang Maning Laikai. The well-known ritual of Jiri Narando, the worship of Nongpok Ningthau, was held today. The ritual was held at the shrine of Nongpok Ningthau located at the small plateau of Langang Pokpi Jiri River. Pilgrims from Jiribam and Kasar visited that holy place and offered prayers. The location has been a tourist destination from the time immemorial. Kapam Village Authority, Chandel District, has submitted a memorandum with regard to the demand and needs of a 24/7 PHC Komla Thabi to Chief Minister Nongtomam Biren. The village authority has expressed that the memorandum submitted under the guidance of a district commissioner includes the appeal to provide proper ambulance, oxygen cylinders and laboratory technicians in the area at the earliest. Transporters and Drivers Council TDC sought attention of the government to complete blacktopping on the National Highway 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road by April 2018. The TDC loaded the government for road construction works taken up by the BIPL from the Kangpokpi to Karbulekha. The council also praised state government and Manipur High Court for their attention for the smooth and safe passage of Karbulekha to Tengdongyan Road. A team led by President of TDC H. Ranjit also inspected the repair of Kangpokpi Road on National Highway number 2. The team expressed disappointment at the incomplete repair work at some part of the road, which causes grave inconveniences to drivers and commuters. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines of the inspection, Ranjit said the council resolves not to ply on the Imphal-Dimapur road as there has been indefinite economic blockade on the road since 2010. He said TDC has started inspecting the road as complaints from drivers and section of people came to the council. On the other hand, Ranjit appealed to abide by allotted tonnage of the vehicle as per Central Motor Vehicle Act of a National Highway Authority of India.
Imphal Jiribam Lambenda, Pagalak Pagaluna, Jiribamgi, bus service like Imphal Jiribam, Makata Bada, Tong, Sagalaiba, Aduga Matang Development Mayamsi, Lake Rabamatunda, Equenangasi, Imphal Dimabu Lambensida, my own Jin Basing, Asidegi Hona, Jangin Mahogare, Salway Hanalamba period to Koi Handoki Kongang, the Koi Lorpani Haitare. Manipur government, Amadi High Court Pu, Equi Lamben and Imaxida, Tawaya Hakang, Yawn, Honabirapa, Amadi Lambiji, Pagalang, Honabiramoidam, Manipur government. Honorable Chief Minister, Amadi Works Minister, Anima Pujoke, Tagachawalona, Honorable Court Puchu, Equina Hariba Mashigi, Akanba, Kanosi, Tambira Pasiamna, TDC, Taraptagi, Tagat Ponduk.
6 Assam Rifles of 9 sector Assam Rifles under the AG of IGAR South in renovated a 3 Mothers Art Gallery located at Thangapad Mapal Palace Compound, Imphal East. Assam Rifles said it will continue to undertake such efforts to help the locals to maintain traditional image of the force as the promoters of peace, harmony and goodwill in Manipur. On the other hand, the 5 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles of a 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South conducted a security meet at a Nambol and Patsoi Company operating bases in connection with the upcoming Republic Day. National Sports University Harauktel Protection Committee stated that the people of the area will extend all possible help in establishing the National Sports University in Harauktel. The committee has also launched cleanliness drive ahead a visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to lay foundation stone of the university in March. A team led by committed Clean Senjam Kunau to Harauktel Sekmai MLA Haikam Dingo, Fumlo Gram Panchayat Pradhan M. Manichan were present at the social service.
Live Sport University Bharat ki nate Prithvi Punamakini Haidana Thamaga Pirakiva University Sida Koina Kadai Pok the Koina Yam section na Panabak the Kadai Mating Panga have the Koinasi social service story ba Kunza Singh Amadi Ramayamsina Harong Song Topira Baja Magi Tazabado. Asi akhoi da thamdaba yade Manipur da makte Prithvi makini haidana thamibasigi wakhalo na changsan jabani
lambi thong fatriba lambi thong adigi leiriba khuing lambi thong da natana kungang asom da leiriba praja singsigi living of standards ji ajigumba chawraba national gi natana international gi thak ta chigumba project ama toraga di akhoi som site chi dei da khitang wakhalon do ju mentally oi do ju develop lakadra haibagi asa du dei da akhoi khunja singna haiba jaga sing asi kachabani haitare.
And in sports news, Kenya polo team became the champion of the 3rd Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. In the final match of the tournament played at Mapal Kangjibung, Kenya polo team beat USA polo team by 5-4. For the winners, Tiba Gross scored 2 goals in the 2nd chakkar, Imogen Vospoi scored 1 goal in the 3rd chakkar, while Nikki Barlow and Kyla Miller scored 1 goal each in the 4th chakkar. For the runners-up team, Marisha Wells scored 3 goals, Olivia Stringer scored 1 goal. Sagol Landaba of Nambul Mapal Polo Club was awarded the best pony, while Sagol Ani Makai of ex-polo club Wangkai was awarded the 2nd best pony. District Administration Thoubal organized a friendly football match between Imphal West District DC team and Thoubal District DC team in connection with the Statehood Day at Kodompokpi Ground, Wangjing today. In the match, Thoubal District DC team dropped Imphal West District DC by 7-2. Deputy Commissioner Thoubal L. Navakishore flagged off the match. ADM Thoubal NG Vogendro, SDO Thoubal Dr. M. Bheto, SDO Lilong KSH Umananda took part in the match. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 2 children died and 3 others injured as a hand grenade exploded at Subulong Part 1 Leshok village in None district. Manipur observes the 46th Statehood Day, commemorating the day Manipur became a full-fledged state in 1972. Chief Minister Viren launches Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang scheme at Kuman Lampak Indoor Stadium today. Minister Karam Sham flex off cycle rally as a part of the Cycle Day with an objective to promote energy conservation. And Kenya beats USA in the final of 3rd Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament.